I am Max Spevack, and for the last 2 years I've been the Fedora project leader. We've accomplished really a whole lot of good things for the distribution in the last 2 years. We rebuilt pretty much all of Fedora's infrastructure. We've made it all much more community focused. It's all in the hands of the community. We've turned that into the ability to produce very customized versions of Fedora, to increase the number of community packagers that we have, et cetera, et cetera. So I feel like I kind of over the last couple months have felt like we reached a pretty natural kind of breaking point in the vision, which meant that it would be a good time to maybe find someone else to handle sort of the day-to-day general management of Fedora. And I'm hoping to wander back into the Fedora and Red Hat communities in a role that is still community focused, maybe also a little bit technical. I'm kind of find myself missing some of the technical aspects of work a little bit. So continuing to be involved in Fedora, but just in a different way. The guy who's taken over for me in February is Paul Frields. If you're involved in the Fedora community, you already know his name. He's been a part of our community from the very beginning. When the Fedora project first started, he has worked primarily in the Fedora documentation group. He's exhibited sort of general leadership skills throughout a variety of the Fedora sort of sub-projects over the years, and served on the Fedora board, and has been really just one of our most active community members. And he's got sort of all the qualities that I think are good ones for someone to kind of be a leader in a community way, because it's different than being a manager of people within a company. You have to, when you're leading a community, you have to try to be inspirational. You have to give a vision, but do it in a way that you're not ordering people around, and that you're sort of trying to just encourage things to occur. And it takes a different sort of personality, I think, to do that well. So I think Fedora is in very good hands. Every release has been getting better for the last couple of years, and that's not just me saying that. I think the sort of general Linux communities out there on the internet that you read about, Fedora's reputation now, I think, is stronger than it's ever been. So, I think we're really confident that it's going to be a good future for Fedora and Red Hat and everybody.